Hello my viewers, this is Swati Chawla. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a very interesting and informative video for you. WhatsApp, you all are using nowadays. Until now, you all are familiar with Python language also. So today I will tell you how to schedule a WhatsApp message using Python. We will set a message and schedule the time. After the scheduled time, the message will be sent to the receiver. And there is no such big lines of code for this. We will write only 2 lines of code just to send the scheduled message. And if I am saying 2 lines of code, believe me my viewers, I will just write 2 lines of code just to execute this. It seems interesting, and believe me my viewers, it is interesting. And I know you all are excited for this now. So before starting this, if you are new to my channel and not subscribed it yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of my all upcoming videos. And if you like this video, do press the like button and share your views in the comment section. So let's start this journey now. So as you can see, I have opened my Python, and to schedule the message, we are having the PyWhatKit library. See now, PyWhatKit is a Python library for sending WhatsApp message at certain time. That means we will schedule the time, and at that particular time, the message will be sent to the receiver. And to install this, we are having the command pip install PyWhatKit. The procedure to install this module will be same as you followed for installing other modules. You might have installed MySQL connector, Matplotlib और जितने भी आपने modules install किए. The very first method is that either you can install it using your CMD prompt. If while installation of Python you have checked that path, so from here you can install this or you can execute this pip command. Or second method, better using that script folder. For that you have to open this, copy the path from here, Ctrl+C, and from here you have to paste this path. After that you have to locate the script folder. So as you can see, this is my script folder. You have to double click on this, and then after that in this address bar you have to type CMD. So here I am typing, in the address bar I am typing CMD, then press enter key. तो आपका ये path कहाँ तक का आ जाएगा बेटा, script folder तक का. Here you have to execute the command pip install PyWhatKit. This is the name of the library through which we can schedule the WhatsApp messages. Now it will just take a little time to install this, and make sure while installing this your internet connection must be active. So it is successfully installed here, as it has already been installed in my system, so it is saying request already satisfied. But if you will install this first time, it will take time, not even just within seconds it will get installed. Okay, after this I am exiting from here. Now we have to open the new file, and remember we will just write 2 lines of code. So the very first statement is import and then PyWhatKit. This is the name of the library, and see the documentation here now. We are having the send what message function, and it is having 3 arguments. The first one is the contact number on which you want to send the message, and second the message which you want to send, and here you have to write the time. This will open web.whatsapp.com at this time, and message will be sent exactly this. Means जो time आपने schedule किया है उससे 20 seconds पहले ही आपका open हो जाएगा. ठीक है, means like suppose हमने set किया 15 और ये 00 क्या represent कर रहा है बेटा, 15 hours and 00 minutes. तो इस टाइम पर ही आपका मैसेज हमने क्या किया बेटा, शेड्यूल किया. ठीक है, तो उससे जस्ट 1 सेकेंड पहले आपका ये ओपन हो जाएगा web.whatsapp, वो मैसेज वहां पर आ जाएगा. then within 20 seconds the message will be sent to the receiver. Now let's execute this practically. So we have to write py-what-get dot send message, SENDMSG. Okay, sorry, send what message, WHAT. और मैसेज की स्पेलिंग MSG लिखना है, कंप्लीट मैसेज नहीं लिखना है. दिस इज द इनबिल्ट फंक्शन send what message, and here I am having 3 arguments. The first one, you have to write the name of the person on which you want to send the message. ठीक है, for security reasons I will blur this part. This is the contact number on which we want to send the message, and then we have to write the message. Let's suppose I want to send thank you, and then at present the time is 8:47 PM. So इसको हमने 24 hours के फॉर्मेट में लिखना होता है. 12 के बाद बेटा 6 o'clock तक 18 हो जाएगा, then 19 and then 20. So here I am writing 20 and 47 is there. I am writing it 49 or 48. Let's just write 48. ठीक है, उसको इतना टाइम चाहिए एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए. मीन्स ऐसा ना हो कि 47 ऑलरेडी है एंड यू आर राइटिंग 47 और 48. लेट्स राइट 49 हियर. ओके, नो इश्यू. सो देन वी हैव टू सेव दिस. लेट्स सपोज आई एम सेविंग इट विद WhatsApp 1. After saving this, you have to execute this. Now see here, just wait for a while. Now you will get a message here. See this message. In 42 seconds, web.whatsapp.com will open and after 20 seconds, the message will be delivered. ये हमारे पास message आ गया. Now after 42 seconds, ठीक है, I will not open anything. I will not open WhatsApp web in my browser and it's already closed. जब आपको मैंने पहले वो message दिखाया था, means the documentation of Python. At that time also you might have noticed कि I have not opened the WhatsApp there. It will automatically open that. And after opening that, it will just write the message and within 20 seconds, the message will be delivered to the receiver. I have set the time. Now see, I have not done anything. It automatically opens this web browser. And see this message at the bottom which we have sent, scheduled, like thank you. And within 20 seconds now, the message will be delivered to the receiver. I am not pressing any key or send message from here. It will automatically deliver this message. Now see, the message has been sent. It seems interesting now, na? And see, we just have written only 2 lines of code just to schedule the message. And for this to be work, your system must be on. If your system is off, the WhatsApp web obviously it will not open. So that message, the scheduled message will not be sent. So I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, do press the like button and share your views in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of my upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching, keep studying.